Did you know that during a windstorm, the sound of the wind isn't just random noise? It's actually a symphony of frequencies, each telling a story of its own. Scientists have discovered that these whispers can reveal the wind's speed, direction, and even the landscape it travels over. Imagine the wind as a musical composer, crafting a unique melody as it dances through trees and over hills. This natural orchestra is so precise that researchers can use it to predict weather patterns and even detect distant storms. Next time you hear the wind howl, remember it's nature's way of communicating. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.